Phil Ernest, and I'm in Los Angeles riding the Metro Line. The purpose of this video is to give you an introduction to the Metro Line system, particularly the B Line and 8 of its stations. Union Station is the main rail station in Los Angeles and the largest railroad terminal in the western United States, servicing almost 110,000 passengers a day. It opened in 1939. To get to the Metro Line, go through these double doors and down the escalator. The price for a one-way ticket is $1.75. An all-day pass is $7. There are 6 lines in the Metro Line system. Today, I will be riding on the B Line. As you watch the video, notice how each of the 8 stations has its own personality. That is by design. The unique artwork reflects local culture and/or the function of transit in society. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. It will help the channel grow. I post a new video every week. Thank you so much for watching.